Today, a historic decision from the International Criminal Court. Arrest warrants have been issued for Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and Defense Minister Yoav Gallant. The charges? Crimes against humanity and war crimes. What led to this unprecedented move? And what does it mean for global justice and the Israeli-Palestinian conflict? Let's break it down. On November 21, 2024, Pretrial Chamber 1 of the International Criminal Court unanimously rejected challenges by the State of Israel under the Rome Statute. These challenges sought to contest the court's jurisdiction over alleged crimes in the State of Palestine and halt the proceedings, including arrest warrant applications for Netanyahu and Gallant. So, what were Israel's arguments? First, Israel questioned the court's jurisdiction, claiming it didn't extend to Israeli nationals. Second, it argued that the ICC had failed to notify them of an investigation's scope. But here's what the judges decided. The ICC ruled that its jurisdiction is based on Palestine's territorial scope, as determined in previous rulings. Since 2015, Palestine has been a recognized party to the Rome Statute, granting the court authority over crimes committed within its borders, including Gaza and the West Bank. Israel's challenge was deemed premature, as jurisdictional disputes under Article 19 can only occur after an arrest warrant is issued, not before. Additionally, the court found that Israel had been notified of the investigation back in 2021 but chose not to engage. This brings us to the arrest warrants. The ICC has accused Netanyahu and Gallant of serious crimes committed during the escalation in Gaza from October 2023 to May 2024. These include the war crime of starvation as a method of warfare, crimes against humanity including murder, persecution, and inhumane acts, and intentionally directing attacks against civilians. The chamber found reasonable grounds to believe that both leaders knowingly deprived Gaza's civilian population of essential goods like food, water, and medical supplies. This led to severe suffering, including deaths from malnutrition and dehydration. Hospitals were forced to operate without anesthesia, causing unimaginable pain. Experts say this decision sets a significant precedent.
In live action almost. The dismemberment of young children, parents digging their kids out of their rubble. And our politicians are just saying this is okay. And the media, for the most part, is justifying it. And there's a huge disconnect between what people are watching and what they're being told. And I think that's hard for a lot of people right now. And this is almost unprecedented.
By targeting high-ranking officials, the ICC underscores that no one is above international law, even sitting world leaders. However, the arrest warrants are currently classified as secret to protect witnesses and the investigation. So what's next? Israel has rejected the ICC's jurisdiction, and Netanyahu has long accused the court of bias. Meanwhile, victims groups and Palestinian advocates see this as a long-awaited step toward accountability. This decision isn't just about legal battles, it's about justice for victims of war crimes and the future of accountability on the global stage. But will the warrants lead to actual arrests, or will geopolitical realities prevent justice from being served? Only time will tell. What do you think about the ICC's decision? Will it bring accountability, or does it risk deepening divisions? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on this developing story.